Hey guys, so this is my quick analysis on GU guys. What am I expecting on GU? If you watch my previous analysis on GU, I said I was expecting GU to either push to the downside, which is my 38.2% fib level, or my 61.8% fib level. Due to the market structure that we have, we can see that there was this break of um breakout zone right here, and I think we might retest that. I said we might retest around that area, which also aligns with my 38.2% fib level before we push to the upside. And you can see I said my first target was my 1.26939, which is my negative 27% fib level, and I said if I still see more momentum of a buy, then I'll ride it to my negative 61.8% fib level, which is 1.27470. So as we can see that we didn't get to where I thought we would get, right? But we started rejecting off of my 23.6% fib level. And that is why I used to say that just because you analyze something like this doesn't mean the market will go the way you think it will go. You just have to re-strategize based on how the market wants it, right? But we can see that as soon as we get to around my 23.6% fib level, and we started seeing rejection around that area, I knew there's a possibility that we might not get to where I thought we would get to, right? And as soon as I saw this engulfing candle right here, this just giving more certainty that we might not get to where we want to get to. But to be much safer, right, we will have just gotten the trade from as soon as we saw this break of structure right here, breaking the previous high, right, we know that the buyer is still in the market, and with this engulfing candle, it came down to retest it. We'll have possibly taken a trade around this area right here. It might be a little bit of peeps, right, based on us doing it on just the first TP. So let's say we came here, we took our trade right around here to here. That's about 33 pips. For those that that doesn't need much pips, you can just write that. But we can see that if we had waited and taken our trade off of from here to TP2, that's about 84 pips, right? So either way, we will have win anyway. So we can see that was a beautiful trade on GU. So let's analyze GU based on how the market is playing right now. I knew in the long run, right, I said we might come right here to retest as well. I think that should be, yeah, because that was like a previous highway. That was part of like a previous high of like rejection. So there's a possibility we might still push up a little bit to around that area to reject. That's a possibility, or we probably would not. So that's a place for us to watch out. So now let's reanalyze based on, let's delete this one, the current price market. I can draw a counter trend line right here from here to here. Let me go to a smaller time frame to adjust that. Yes, we can see. So we can see that we are currently on a sell, sorry. We can see that we had this doji candle. We have, after the doji candle, we have this engulfing bearish candle. So there's a possibility of us pushing to the upside, and I'm seeing currently double top around this area, and that's a beautiful pattern on GU guys. So there's a possibility that we might have like a mini fall on GU guys, but if you want to see like an overall fall on GU, I would rather prefer it to at least break this counter trend line, give us another lower high. We can see lower high here, lower high here, give us another lower high for us to confirm that we're still going to continue to push to the downside. So I still think I just pushed to the downside for just a moment right here, nothing too much. And around here, this will be like a very quick scalping. If those are scalp, this will be a really quick one right here. I don't think it will give that much, right? So let's see how this is a point of interest for me. So this is a point of interest for me. Right around here is a point of interest. My first TP certainly would be right around here. And if you still see my momentum of sell, this would be a possible next target right here. So we can see that this can just be a quick peep from here to here, about 23 peeps. And if we see more momentum, right, from here to here, that'll be about 39 peeps. So let's just watch how it reacts around this area, because you can see break of structure right here. So we can see that we are currently on a sell. It's giving me more of a sell, to be honest, rather than anything until otherwise happen. Just like we know, we don't predict the market, you react to the market. If what I am thinking doesn't happen, it's fine. All I just have to do is re-strategize based on that current price action, like I said. So this is a good spot to actually look at and see how the market will react around that area. Then if I see more rejections around this area, like I said, and I see an engulfing bearish candle, then I'll possibly ride it to my first TP right here. But like I said, those are for scalpers. For those that doesn't like to scalp, I just think you should stay away from the market now to gather more information for you to have like a bigger move on what you want next. So let's see, or maybe somewhere here to here. So guys, this is my thought on Be watchful guys, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Hope you enjoy.